Pakistan Air Force, with resounding hearts of pride, salutes the unwavering spirit of every citizen and the fearless men and women of our armed forces. In the face of a grave provocation targeting innocent civilians, our resolve was put to ultimate test. But the enemy underestimated the unyielding spirit of Pakistan Armed Forces. In a moment that would echo through history, the entire Pakistani nation and Pakistan Armed Forces rose as one. By the grace of Almighty Allah, we stood tall, we struck hard, we prevailed. Tonight's celebration is not merely a commemoration of the first anniversary of Maarka-e-Haq. It is a testament to the enduring pledge with the entire nation that your armed forces stand ever prepared to safeguard the homeland. Guided by the bold leadership and upholding its proud legacy of being second to none, Pakistan Air Force rewrote the rules of modern aerial warfare through operational excellence and combat mastery. In a fierce and unprecedented air battle featuring the most complex, largest, and longest BVR engagements ever witnessed in military aviation history, Pakistan Air Force delivered a decisive blow, downing 8 Indian aircrafts, including 4 Rafale jets, a Su-30, a MiG-29, a Mirage 2000, alongside a Heron UAV, shattering the illusion of Indian air superiority and reaffirming Pakistan's aerial dominance in the skies. Pakistan Air Force unleashed a sweeping and relentless air campaign from north to south, systematically dismantling high-value enemy military assets, including the highly prized S-400 air defense systems.